Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back. So I'm going to be starting a new series and it's literally going to be expectations versus reality when it comes to AI nail art. And this one is actually not that bad. It is an ombre, and let's go through everything step by step and let's figure out how I would recreate this AI ombre nail art. I want to do this, because this snail and these two, it almost looks like the same exact color combination. So I'm going to go through all of my colors, see what I have, and I'll be right back. These are the colors. You have Black Rose, Enchantress, Agnes, and Heavenly Pink. So I have my colors on and I'm going to go in with my sponge. And I'm just going to work these in. Now at first it may not look pretty, but the colors get on the sponge how you want them. So the more you build up, the more will be there. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in the lamp and we'll be right back. Okay. Now let's say when you're doing this, you don't like how this blend between the two lighter pinks look. That's when you're gonna go in with your brush, nothing on it, and I'm literally just gonna sit here, and instead of an ombre brush, because that's in my opinion too big, just gonna go in side by side and just blend that down. If you have too much product in your brush, lint-free wipe and wipe it off. And you want to just make sure that blend is nice and smooth, going from one color to the next. If I need to, I'll go in on the clean side and just, okay. And there you go. Nice, like clean, smooth transition now. You can see as I'm doing this, you just want to take your time. Still want to make sure it's going on that diagonal like how it is in the AI photo. And then when you do this, now you can really see the blend in different colors. And if anyone wants to know, this, you can see how nice and thin it is doing the ombre this way, and it literally is not, there's not a lot of like bulk on the tip. I'm actually gonna go on with one more layer, so it'll be 5 total. I know something like this, it'll take a little bit more time and you're gonna have to charge accordingly. But when you see the end result, it's going to look amazing. Dip, 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 dip. When I'm doing this inside my head, I'm just doing tap, 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 tap. That's what it sounds like in my head. Okay, I want to blend out a couple spots. So let's just, I'm gonna go up here a little bit. Just work this in. Now, if you're not that picky with blending in these lines, then you do you. But for me, I want to blend out some of these lines just a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a clean side. Give that one more tap. Okay, and then we're gonna pop this in the lamp. We're finished with the top coat, and then we'll compare AI photo to the real image. See how nice that looks? Everyone will have to let me know in the comment section. How do you think this turned out? Some adjusting off camera. And on camera, what I did is, this is the one I did on camera, and this is how the ombre came out. And then this is the other one. So this ombre goes from corner to corner, and this one has a little bit of a curve to it. So just as a reminder, this is what the AI image looks like. Off camera originally, I did these up here to have that same like aura look on the solid nail, but I don't like how it came out. And instead I just went in with Enchantress and I did 2 coats here. So this is the final look. I actually like this better than with the aura put into it. So if I do this and switch these around, you can see how the set would look. So let me know in the comments, would you give something like this a try? Do you recreate AI nail art? Do you not recreate AI nail art? And which look out of both of these do you like? Do you like the first one here, look number A? Or do you like look number B with the solid color? So let me know in the comments down below. And as usual, everything that I used will be listed in the description box, and I'll talk to everyone later.